I want to thank the entire Dow team for welcoming Creators Wanted and the Creators Wanted Tour here to Midland. The Creators Wanted Live Tour is an immersive experience. It's designed for students and parents and teachers and leaders to learn a little bit about what modern manufacturing is all about.
I found it amazing how wide the field of manufacturing was. So, you have one idea of what it should be, but then it could be many other different applications.
It shows that solving hard problems is fun, right? And that's what kids need to understand when they're looking at careers in manufacturing. There's a lot of hard problems to solve, and that doesn't mean that it's not fun.
There's a certain awe and wonder that you can't just create within a classroom, and actually seeing these kids light up and keeping these kids interested in science and math and technology and engineering while they're young, it can be essential to building that career within STEM.
We learned a lot of cool things in there. There's a lot of different parts to manufacturing. It doesn't just necessarily mean standing in the assembly line. It means that you get to use your hands and your mind and create things, right? So I'd be very okay if either one of my kids became a manufacturer.
Having to use teamwork to exit escape and stuff like that, I find it really interesting. I took away that I could possibly have a career in it.
It's neat that at this age they can see this type of technology in a form that helps them to understand it, so that they're already starting to think, would I want to do this someday?